Tired of hunting for the attach button in Webex? In 30 seconds, you will know exactly how to send any file. No more dragging files into the wrong window or getting stuck with error messages. Let us fix that right now. First, sign in and open the Messaging tab. Then, select your contact, click the paperclip, choose your file, and hit Send. Simple. I am going to walk you through every single click so you can share files like a pro. All right, the very first thing you need to do is sign in to your Webex account. Go ahead and open the Webex app or hop into the web version. Use your work email and password like you normally would. Once you are in, you will see the main dashboard. Do not worry if it looks busy at first. We are only interested in one place. So now that you are signed in, let us find the Messaging tab. It is usually on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the icon that looks like a speech bubble or just the word Messages. Click on that. This is the command center for all your chats. You will see your recent conversations pop up in a list. If you have not used Webex much, this list might be pretty short. That is totally fine. Now, you need to pick the person or space where you want to send your file. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top. Type in their name or the name of your team space. Click on it once. A chat window will open on the right side of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Take a second to make sure you are in the right conversation so you do not accidentally send your file to someone else. Here is the part everyone gets tripped up on. At the bottom of the chat window, look for a small paperclip icon. It is usually right next to the typing box. In my experience, this little icon is easy to miss because it can blend into the interface. Click that paperclip. A menu will pop up asking where you want to pull the file from. You will see options like My Computer, Box, or OneDrive. For a direct upload, just select My Computer. Your computer's file explorer will open up. Now, browse through your folders and find the file you want to share. It could be a PDF, a Word document, a photo, or even a video. Click on the file once to highlight it. Before you hit that Open button, double-check the file size. Webex handles most standard files easily, but if it is a huge video file, it might take a little longer to upload. Go ahead and click the Open button in the bottom right corner of the file window. Now you will see the file name appear in the chat box attached to your message. This is where you have an option. You can just hit Send with no message, and that works fine. But I always recommend typing a quick message to go with it. Something like, "Here is the report we discussed," or "Take a look at this draft." It gives your file context and makes you look super organized. The text box is right there above the paperclip. Just type whatever you need. When you are ready, find the Send button. It looks like a blue arrow pointing to the right next to your typing box. Click it. You will see a progress bar appear, and the file starts uploading. This might take a moment to process, especially if your internet is a little slow. Just give it a few seconds. Once the upload finishes, the file will appear right in the conversation. You will see the name of the file and a little thumbnail if it is an image or a PDF. And there you go. You have now successfully attached a file in Webex chat. No more hunting, no more confusion, just a clean, fast share. If you run into any hiccups, come back and watch this part again. You have got this.